Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. It shows that the Windows might be installed in an unsupported directory. Kung paano ba natin ito fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up on search menu. And then, kailangan mo na i-type yung troubleshoot settings. And then, click mo lang itong open. So, dito sa troubleshoot settings. And then, dito lang sa options under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. Click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa other troubleshooters, dito lang sa most frequent under nito ay select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And then, dito sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click to run. So, click mo lang siya. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems at yung installation niya. Alright, so makita mo dito na troubleshooting has been completed, and then close lang natin dito at yung next step. Dito lang sa search menu, click mo lang yan. And then type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. So if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. Okay, so dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na DISM /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. So copy lang natin yan and then paste lang natin dito. And the next step ay makita mo dito na deployment image services, and then wait natin ito na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin enter ay type mo lang yung sfc /scannow. So one word yung /scannow, and then press mo lang yung enter. And so makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. Kailangan ulit natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan mo lang itong i-click to restart. Alright? And then ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows error might be installed in an unsupported directory. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.